Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be doing a pencil dress DIY. We're gonna first cut out the fabric. The pattern has already been made. So I'm just leveling out the fabric and I'm gonna start off with the front side of the dress. And once I'm done with that, I'm going to use the same pattern to create the back two pieces for the back side of the dress. I'm leaving an allowance of 1 inch, so I'll be able to create the slit at the back. So now I'll be doing the pinning on the sleeve onto the dress. I actually made a mistake here. Oh gosh, I wasn't concentrating, and now I'm putting the pattern. Now this is the correct way of putting on the sleeve pattern over the fabric, on top of the fabric. After that, I'm going to sew on the shoulder seams. And I'm just gonna lay it out on the table and pin the sleeves onto the armholes. And I'm going to pin the front part to the back pieces, and once I'm done with that, I'm taking it to the sewing machine. I'm just gonna sew on the side seams. These are all the places that I was pinning just now. So this is like from the arm until to the dress bottom length. So once I'm done with that, I'm just gonna turn it inside out. And now I'm just pinning the neckline. I had to increase the neckline because it was a bit small. And now I'm just going to create a belt using the same material. I'm just drafting it out, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to sew it on. And this is the final look. Please like, subscribe or comment below. Bye.